Today I'm joined by Jon Price, the Managing Director of gold player Horizon Minerals. Welcome, Jon.
G'day Gareth, good to be here.
Now you're in the heart of the West Australian goldfields. What is it about your acreage that should excite prospective investors?
Yeah, I think one of the best goldfields in the world. All of our projects are within 75 kilometres of a planned centralised mill, so it's a great address. We have power, water approvals, and a very good workforce. 10 minutes drive out of our main project, which is Barara.
Now there's some good thing happening at your flagship Barara Project. What can you tell investors and prospective investors about what's happening there?
Yeah, so it sits at around 450,000 ounces in resource. We've recently trialled Barara through a toll mill, which is only 7 kilometres away, so fairly unique position where we can actually test it before we commit to the larger scale development. So we trialled it to understand the geology. Making cash was great. We put $4 million into the bank, but more importantly, it was all about geological confidence and the fact that the mine is going to deliver 1 million tonne a year at that 1.1 to 1.2 grams a tonne, year in, year out. And we've got an initial mine life between 5 and 7 years at Barara, topped up with our satellite operations.
You've just started a 50,000 metre drill program with 4 rigs at your Barara project. How is that progressing?
Yeah, well, we've completed all of our reserve conversion drilling. So all of that work to feed the feasibility study, which will be completed in December of this year. The drill rigs are now looking for something new. They're looking for brand new discoveries across the portfolio within the greater Barara area, but also out at Windanya, at Lakewood, which is immediately south of the super pit. So we've taken a lot of time to get these granted, target generated, and now it's time to drill. And we're putting in 35,000 metres to go of our 50,000 metres. So a lot of assays, a lot of Newsflow to come.
Now, Jon, what Newsflow do you have over the next 12 months that should make prospective investors take a closer look at Horizon?
Yeah, it's extremely busy 6 months for us through to that development decision in December. So you've got updated resources coming. There's 4 of those that are due in the next 6 weeks. Then all of those are being converted to reserve. So you have 6 core projects. They'll all be released in terms of their reserve status. Then we'll be consolidating it all together into a life of mine plan. So there's that, resources, reserves, feasibility, and new discovery drilling, and the results coming from that. So, we'll be pumping out news on a fortnightly, weekly basis, all the way through to the next 6 months. Yeah, I think if you look at the team, they're very quality board, mining engineers, metallurgists, geologists. We've been here, we've done this before. I think you look at the assets in this location. We're very close to Kalgoorlie. We've got the majors all around us, and I think we've got an EV per resource ounce, which is a comparable metric of around $55. So we're sitting at a 13-cent stock price, and I think we've got a unique opportunity for shareholders to join us for the journey and do what we're here for, and that is create shareholder value.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Gareth.